Hey everybody, welcome to today's show. I'm with Doyle Sanford and Tommy Sanford. We'll be doing a little brim fishing today. We've kind of fished at Sweet Apple before, the swamp. Every couple of years try to get together and get a little show put together. Doyle, we're not getting any younger, man.
This
so
is true,
we got to
Tommy.
get some stuff on film, man, to remember
No doubt
us
about
all
it.
by.
No doubt about it.
Tell everybody what we're doing today. Doyle, this is one of your places here in, I guess, just above Northside High School, huh?
Yep. Well, what we're doing today is an old school brim fish. Catching brim, and it's our intentions to dress them and have them in the pot in about 30 minutes. And it's nothing like fresh fish, and that's really the definition of fresh fish, when they were swimming 30 minutes prior to you eating them.
And you feel confident we're going to catch a bunch, huh?
Tommy, if we don't, my feed bill is will be canceled.
Tommy, glad to have you back. I know we've fished together at some of our secret meals things and stuff. You still rocking and rolling with Sanford restaurant equipment, huh?
Yeah, trying to. It's keeping me busy.
Right
so
there in
I don't
Northport.
get to do this as much as I would like to, but these little stolen moments are really nice.
Yeah, I know this time of the year, right before football season cranks up, y'all always got some great things going for people that like the tailgate and stuff. Y'all still got that going to go on this year too?
We do. We sell anything you need for a party of 5 or a party of 50. We can get warmers. You know, anything you need to fry stuff up, bake stuff up, we got everything you need.
Yeah. Sanford restaurant equipment. I remember when your dad first opened that thing up years ago, and some radio show got on him about Sanford and Son. I think he might have even, and wanted, just kidding around with him, and he didn't know what the heck was going on. They had him on the radio saying that he had to change the name and all that kind of stuff because it was,
Yeah, it was a local radio station did a prank call. On the infringement.
I still remember that. Yeah, infringement
Yeah.
on Sanford and Son. He goes, well, listen, I'm a Sanford and I've got a son, so, But anyway, I'm looking forward to this, man. Let's see if we can get on some brim. We're going to be using crickets and little ultralight poles, so it ought to be a lot of fun.
Bring back a lot of memories.
A lot of memories.
Yes, sir.
Me too, man. Dolly,
Yes,
let's
sir.
go get you some, man.
Let's do it, buddy.
All right, we're down here at Uncle Doyle's at the Copper Penny, trying to make a little brim show. We're gonna be using crickets. I'm gonna talk a little bit about hunting, deer and turkey. This ought to be a good day. Let's see if I can get one. Ain't nothing like it, boys. Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. Think about that, boy. That's what we're after today. Just do an old-fashioned. We're not going to be using cane poles, but we're all going to be using these little ultralights. Try to get supper tonight, so put him in the cooler. That's all about right there, Dolan, huh? Not a big one. We'll throw that one back, but let him get a little age on him. But they brim are fun. They fun to catch, Dolan.
You know, a lot of actions like a dove.
Yeah, when the dove are flying. Well, I mean, you tell, I don't want to take nothing that's small now, but you tell me
No,
what you
not throw it back. We got plenty of
think about that. Look, one thing I learned when you stay in the same place and you brim fish, that these crickets with these brim, they'll get to where they'll get smart and they'll start pulling them legs of the crickets. Instead of biting the whole cricket, they'll grab like a leg or two, and each time it's on the hook, they'll pull them by the legs right off your hook. So what you can do, I'm not going to show you on, but snip their legs off. That way they got to bite. They don't have anything to bite but the body. And if you do that, it'll improve your chances of hooking them.
They'll also got
Because
the heads on it. And when the heads are bitten,
they don't, yeah. And then,
I'm sitting there asleep.
what happened, Doyle?
I was asleep.
You didn't get your cricket, though. Oh, Dolly's got one out of. Oh, he took it right off the. Dolly. He hit you, boy, right when he hit the water.
He probably got my cricket that time, Tommy.
Ah, Tommy, no, yours went on the. Let me get on
Sorry.
this side. Yeah, he's just nibbling on it. He got you? Like I said, uh-oh, dog. Uh-oh. What you got, dog?
I just bluegill.
Nice one? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a keeper. Yeah, he's a little. Show the camera, Dolly. Show the camera. Oh, don't let him get back in that water.
If there's a new mower in your future, you really need to visit the folks at Artec Tractor in Jasper. With brands like Bobcat, Cub Cadet, Gravely, Spartan, and Toro, they can help you find the mower to fit your needs. They also have a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook, or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Hey, this is Hank Williams Jr. I can skin a buck, I can run a trot line. When you go to the woods, bring your game face.
Game Face calls. To find out more about these new and exciting products, go to GameFaceCalls.com, TommyWilcox.com, or check your local retailer.
We at Greensboro Farmers Co-op carry a wide variety of farming and household supplies. When it comes to your livestock, we've got you covered with our bagged and bulk feed. Need fuel? We deliver. Time to spray? Check out our insecticides, pesticides, and herbicides. Our variety of plants, flowers, and garden seeds will have your yard looking nice and your garden plentiful. Spreader trucks, buggy, and grain drill rentals will serve anyone's customized fertilizer spreading needs. Gear up for hunting season with our feed and seed, ammunition, and clothing. Greensboro Farmers Co-op. Small business, big heart.
Louisiana Farmers Warehouse is an authorized Mahindra dealership serving Lottie, Louisiana and surrounding areas. We are proud to carry a large selection of agricultural and auto parts. When you're ready to invest in a new tractor or mower, our friendly and knowledgeable staff are prepared to make sure your experience is outstanding from start to finish. Come see us at our new location featuring our new showroom. After 18 years of business, we're still family-owned and providing the best customer service around. Louisiana Farmers Warehouse, serving you from our new location in Lottie.
Duck that one, did you? I thought I did. I was giving it everything I had. But he shunned me, Thomas. I mean, go. You got him, Tommy?
Maybe.
There you go. Look at that little rig.
That's a little
That's the way
bitty
to
rig,
do it.
but it makes them fun.
Oh yeah, Tommy.
I think that's a nice
I
one.
think that's a keeper. We're going the ice chest with that one.
He'll make that grease fry brown, won't he?
Oh yeah.
He's cut.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, huh?
Nice one. He's got the salad already with him.
Yeah. All you need is a little Thousand Island with him.
Right. So he's going in the ice chest?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to.
That Bream is
I
the
know
biggest.
your daddy liked him.
Oh man, that
Gosh.
Bream is the biggest.
There you go, darling. Doyle, tell everybody a little bit about what we're doing today, man.
Tommy, we are doing old school brim fishing.
Ultralights.
It's been a
Holes.
hot day. We coming over here. We're gonna catch about 15 or 20 of these things, and we're gonna fry them up.
Any secrets?
Secrets is to come, catch them, dress them, and have them in the pot, and they will swim in 15 minutes early.
Yeah.
That's the definition of fresh fish.
Fresh fish.
There you go.
That looks like a good one. That ought to be one of them big old pompanos there, yeah. I can look at it, yeah. He's what you call a keeper, man.
Lance has got him under his feet over there. Look at that. Boy, that's a good one.
Son, that right there ought to be a... Oh, he's behind the pole. Uh-oh. He's gonna wrap me up. Oh, now he's coming. This might be a moose, Lance. Oh yeah, he's good. Oh yeah, he's one of them. Oh! He broke me, man.
What happened?
He took me like Grant took Richmond, man. That was a biggie. Dang it. I'm trying to TV with it and show you how much I'm fighting him, and I let him get away.
Dang it.
What you got? Oh,
Yes,
got mine.
No.
Go right up, go right up next to that pole right there. Oh, that is a good one, ain't it? Oh, darling. You kind of
Copper nose.
holding out on us, Doyle. You must have a little honey hole right there, you.
Well, y'all had that dock hemmed up. I thought I'd get out here and open one up. If I can get this hook out of it. I'll tell you what, man. If I can get that hook out of it. 3, 2, 1.
All right, boys, that's what you get down here at the Copper Penny. I don't want to broadcast that too much. Your phone might ring off the hook, Doyle. Oh, no, don't let him get away. Oh, no.
We'll catch him again.
We'll catch him again. There
They
you
don't
go,
call me
man.
hands for nothing.
You didn't play wide receiver, did you, Doyle?
One day.
When he found out you didn't have good hands, that was it, huh?
I was on the O-line the rest of the time.
All right, we're going to take a quick commercial break, and we'll be right back. Y'all stay with us.
This one feels a little better, Tom. He was laying over under that pier.
He'll be responsible for a couple pretty good ones, man.
I think they like hiding in under the pier.
Oh, yeah, he's a fat one. Yes, sir, Tommy. Yeah, come over here so you don't drown. Of course, you was a DB. You probably got good hands.
I don't know about that now. I think I need my little tool to. It's bending my hook.
Yeah.
Let me try that little tool that you
Dr. Eaton's
that
little
you
tool,
introduced
man.
us to there. There it went. Look at that.
It works,
It
don't
worked perfectly. That's a pretty good one there.
Hold him up high, Tommy. Yeah.
Pretty decent.
That's what we're after, because that's such a good eating fish right there.
And I know the camera may not show it, but man, this guy's, look how thick he
Thick
is.
he is, yeah.
Yeah, he is. Don, this one may be responsible for a lot of your feed bill every month.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Dolly, I don't think I can get him in.
You need a net?
That is a good one.
Tommy, you want me to net him?
No. Stay with these little ultralights. This is fun, man. Tommy, right off that way you said. Big old copper nose, man. Oh yeah, I can't. Wow. You get a few of them, man, you got you a good meal. Oh. Nothing like brim fishing. I love it, man. Whether it's cane pole or ultralights. As long as you're busy and you're catching stuff, that's what it's all about. Golly.
Tommy, did it make the grade?
Hell yeah, I'm gonna take a picture with you.
He takes the pictures for the small ones with me.
Well, oh, Dolly. Oh, Dolly.
Good one there.
Dolly.
Get the net, Tommy.
Get the net.
Oh yeah, that is a good
Oh yeah, Dolly. Oh yeah.
That's a copper nose right there, buddy.
Yeah.
That's a male copper nose. Hope he don't ram that hook in me. almost purple, isn't it?
I got you casting, setting. That's good, man.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Hello, my name is Curtis Taylor and I'm a second-degree black belt and the owner of Cobra Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu in Tuscaloosa. Cobra is a martial arts school that offers adults and kids classes. If you're looking for jiu-jitsu, wrestling, striking, or judo, Cobra's got it. Advanced or beginners classes, Cobra's got it. 5:30 a.m., noon, afternoon, or evening classes, Cobra's got it. Come and learn to defend yourself, have more confidence, and get in amazing shape. Check us out on Facebook or Instagram. Call or come by today.
We at Greensboro Farmers Co-op carry a wide variety of farming and household supplies. When it comes to your livestock, we've got you covered with our bagged and bulk feed. Need fuel? We deliver. Time to spray? Check out our insecticides, pesticides, and herbicides. Our variety of plants, flowers, and garden seeds will have your yard looking nice and your garden plentiful. Spreader trucks, buggy, and grain drill rentals will serve anyone's customized fertilizer spreading needs. Gear up for hunting season with our feed and seed, ammunition, and clothing. Greensboro Farmers Co-op. Small business, big heart.
For over 20 years, people have trusted Artec Tractor for their tractor or construction equipment needs. With brands like Bobcat, Mahindra, and Massey Ferguson, Artec Tractor can help you find the right solution for your farm or the job site. Artec Tractor has a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
This segment is brought to you by Greensboro Farmers Co-op, supporting those who work in acres, not hours.
That's
something big there.
What you got, Dolly?
I
A
think we
turtle?
got the closing fish. He liked to jerk the reel out of my hand, Tommy. He had some
Oh, yeah.
big female.
Big female. Let's see that thing turn around the other way, Dolly. Let him see that. Big female. Come on in here, Tommy. All right, folks, that's going to do it for this week's show. Dolly, thank you for letting us come down and make memories. And memories fishing, man. Tommy, good seeing you again.
Yeah,
good luck.
enjoyed
at
it. Really
Sanford
enjoyed
Store. Where y'all located at? Just over the bridge in Northport,
In
right?
Northport, 1503 3rd Street, just right over the bridge from Tuscaloosa into Northport.
Dolly, you feel all right? You feel like you
good.
had a productive day?
I have had a great time with you guys fishing. Could I say something?
Yeah.
Take your kids fishing, people. This is something, Bream fishing is something you can get all your small kids, grandkids, great-grandkids, bring them out to a pond and catch some fish, and hey, they'll remember it the rest of their lives. And it'll get them hooked on fishing and maybe
Stay out of trouble.
stay out of trouble, stay off the games and all that other stuff. So take a kid fishing this
All right.
weekend.
That's great. All right, we'll see y'all next week. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed it, guys.
Enjoyed it.
Gassed up, loaded down, trucking on from town to town. Guns, bows, and a tackle box. Here come Tommy Wilcox. Hitting the water, hitting the woods. That Bama boy sure got it good. Always having too much fun. Lordy, don't y'all want